I started up with
without that fucking muffler on the back. My car has a muffler on the back. That's crazy. Aftermarket exhaust. I didn't even know I had an aftermarket exhaust on this car already, bro. Man, what they do.
I just be showing niggas love. I notice when they show it back. If I wanna get to the racks, I gotta put this on my back. Yeah, I gotta carry the pack. Yeah, I gotta lead the way. Yeah, I gotta go and get it like now. Yeah, I gotta seize the day. New whip with the wrist. Ayy, that bitch big tits. Ayy, I gotta go and get it right now, man. I gotta seize the day.
Man, what they do. What, TJ Too Smooth, Trader One, man. Oh, but right now, y'all, it is 11:15 in the morning, and we are on our way to the muffler shop because last week we went too late. So now we're trying to show up before 12 p.m. I'm trying to be there in the morning. You feel me? I don't know what time y'all open. If you open at 9, you can't be that damn busy by 11:15 in the morning, bro. Main reasons why I want to get it, for one, I know what this is capable of. I know the sound that this car is capable of, and right now it's just not. This ain't it. You feel me? This ain't it. When you hear what these cars are truly capable of, and then you hear your own shit and it ain't that, you get a little antsy. You want to make some changes. So that's really where we at with it right now. Pulling up, I'm excited, I'm ready. You know, this is something that I got excited about. Like, I'm actually like a little anxious, like, oh my God, I want to get it done. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hope dude is in the shop. I looked up online and I couldn't find any hours for the shop. And I'm like, but I was there last Saturday. It gotta be open, right? So we'll find out. Ooh. Y'all see I got my Vita Coco. My coconut water, organic farmers, organic coconut water for my morning glory. Pulling up on the avenue right now, babe. Alright, man, nigga done pulled up to the muffler shop. Yes, the bays are open. And it's a nice cool day, so we about to get all the sound we looking for, man. That's right. Empty. We here, bro. We made it, nigga. Well, they not empty. They got somebody up there. That's what I'm talking about, man. Bro, what y'all think, man? Blue tips, pink tips, green tips? What y'all think, man? On the White Widow? I don't know. Let's see what it's looking like up under that bitch. You had hit something the other day, dog. I definitely smacked some shit the other day. What's on it already? What is this?
This is an exhaust kit you got on this car. I don't know what you want to do here. I don't know how loud this shit's gonna get.
What do you mean by exhaust kit?
Somebody put an aftermarket exhaust in it.
Aftermarket, but it seems so factory though.
No, it's not factory. The factory one like this. Come in. Son about it. Come here. Let me show you what the factory one looks like.
All right. We're going to school, y'all.
See this muffler right there?
Oh, yeah.
That one right there.
I got you. Okay. Well,
you put an exhaust in it. The only thing you could try, let me be honest with you. Come here.
Yeah. It's 8.
It's an 8, okay. That's the one we should try.
What?
Cut off this one here.
Cut off the muffler?
Yeah. If you want a little noise over there. Because that's not going to make it get loud. Because they move the muffler to the back. Usually with the 8, they got 2 little mufflers right here. That's what we usually cut off.
Right.
But that's one.
So what's on here right now?
That's the resonator there, and they move the muffler to the back. So I don't know. You want to do this, or you can make back a new exhaust if you want it top from here, cut it there, and make it back all the way new with straight pipe.
I don't know if I want to straight pipe it. That's gonna be too loud.
Yeah. So we got a couple of choices. You can try taking another resonator we talk about.
Yeah.
The 289, or if you want to go to muffler.
Black or chrome? Chrome's already on there. What y'all think? I don't know, man. Black or chrome? Or black? What y'all think, bro? I don't know. So news to me. So the car already has a aftermarket exhaust on it, which is crazy. So I think the guy who had this car before me actually crashed this car. And they were either that or he just replaced it with like an OEM style aftermarket exhaust. Long story short, they took the exhaust that's on there now, instead of having the resonator on the back like the OEM exhaust system, is a resonator in the middle and a muffler on the back. So the mid muffler delete there is no mid muffler delete. It would be a rear muffler delete. So that's what we about to do though. We about to take this muffler off, listen to what it sound like, and see if I like that. And what do y'all think? Black tips or chrome exhaust tips? Let me know. I think the black go hard, bro. The chrome tips, I think, look better on a black car, but the black tips look better on a white car. The size of my head, bro. Crazy. But yeah. Black tips, white whip, black tips. I need to paint my rims too. What y'all think? Black rims, black, big difference.
I started the police.
Start it up?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, y'all. Let me get my listening ears on.
That's what I'm saying. Why you put a welder in? If you want to rev it out, you gotta be a big constant gun.
It sounds low as hell. I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
It sounds low.
It sounds low.
I think it's that resonator, dog.
Man, put on the pipe again, yeah.
Well, y'all, basically, the car has an aftermarket exhaust. The mufflers are supposed to be in the mid, and the resonator is supposed to be in the back. This car has resonators in the mid and mufflers in the back. So I'm taking the mufflers off completely, replacing that with 2 1/4 pipe. My tip is like fucking the size of my head, and the resonators are in the middle. It sounds good. I like it. He told me basically I can drive it, see how I like it, and if I want to come back to him and remove the resonator for some reason, I only got to pay $100. So let's do it, man. Let's make it happen. Y'all gonna see what this motherfucker sound like, what the motherfucking White Widow sound like without that fucking muffler on the back. My car has a muffler on the back. That's crazy. Aftermarket exhaust. I didn't even know I had an aftermarket exhaust on this car already, bro. I wish I knew, you know? But perfect day to find out. Anyway, let's go take a look at what they're doing to the whip.
unmark the pipe.
Smoke. Huh? Clean work. All right, y'all. This is what she sounds like, all sewn up. Oh. Okay. 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 I like that.